Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 Everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Vivo Z1 Pro. So in this particular video, we'll just be discussing few minor things related to the availability of Android 10. So few users was asking, bro, is it Android 10 available officially for our device Vivo Z1 Pro? So yes, it has started rolling out, like Vivo has started rolling out the Android 10 update, but still I won't say that that is fully stable. It might be under grayscale testing or a beta phase, and at this moment there is no straightforward URL provided by them from where we can download it. And at this moment, even this is just been seeded to a very selected users. If you and some user might have got this, I think 7 to 10 days back, some are getting, I think 2 to 3 days back from today itself, and so on. So maybe it might be seeded in phases even again to the selected users, because Vivo might be getting the feedbacks on the basis of usage, if someone is getting any problem, any major bug, and so on. So I would really ask everyone that have some patience. We all will be getting that Android 10 update most probably in coming 1 or 2 months. I think according to this particular process, I am thinking maybe they might be providing by the end of June 2020, or maybe mid of July 2020, or at most by the end of July 2020. And apart to this, for the Android Pie users, if they should be at least on the latest version, which is version 1.7.8, because everyone whosoever have got Android 10 base update, or I would say grayscale testing update, and so on, whatsoever you call it, they all were in on this particular version update. And I will suggest you can even try to like check for an update on a daily basis. Maybe you might be a selected one, or a next selected one who might be getting the grayscale testing update from the Vivo itself. So this was all from my side related to Android 10 availability on our beloved handset, that is Vivo Z1 Pro. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.